Imagine opening your banking app right now and seeing $10,000 sitting in your account. That feels pretty good. You've worked hard for that money, you've avoided unnecessary spending, you've built up your savings. But what if I told you that keeping that money sitting in a bank account for years could actually make you poorer? Most Australians never think about this. The problem is that many people believe saving money and growing money are the same thing. They're not. Saving money protects it. Investing money helps it grow. Let's say you have $10,000 sitting in a savings account. Every year, like, the cost of living rises. Groceries get more expensive, rent goes up, bills increase. If your money grows slower than those costs, you're losing purchasing power, even though your balance looks the same. That's why many financially successful Australians don't stop at saving. Once they build an emergency fund, they look for ways to put their money to work. Over long periods, investments have historically delivered much higher returns than cash sitting in a bank account. Yes, investing comes with risks. Markets move up and down, but time can be one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. That's because of compound growth. Your money earns returns, then those returns start earning returns too. And over time, that growth can become surprisingly powerful. So saving money is important. Everyone should have a financial safety net. But after that, ask yourself one simple question. Is your money working as hard as you are? Because one of the biggest personal finance mistakes Australians make isn't spending too much. It's leaving their money standing still for too long. Follow for more Australian personal finance tips.